Welcome to Infinite Cloud AI. In this video, I will show you how to create AWS Access Key and Secret Access Key, install and configure AWS CLI to access AWS services programmatically using your access keys. An AWS Access Key is a unique identifier associated with an AWS account, used to make programmatic requests to AWS services. The Secret Access Key is a secret key that acts as a password, used together with the access key to sign requests securely, ensuring that the request is from an authenticated source and has not been tampered with. The AWS Command Line Interface (CLI) is a unified tool provided by Amazon Web Services to manage and interact with AWS services directly from the command line. It enables users to control multiple AWS services and automate them through scripts, offering a consistent way to issue commands across AWS resources, streamlining cloud management tasks. To create Access Key, first, sign into the AWS Management Console. Click on the account name in the top right corner, and select Security Credentials from the drop-down menu. Under Access Keys, click Create Access Key. Select CLI. And check the box. Give a description of the key. Click Create Access Key. The access key is created successfully. Click on Download CSV file to save the access key and secret access key to your local computer as CSV file. Let's move on to installing AWS CLI. First, go to the website of AWS CLI, aws.amazon.com/cli. Download the install package of your system. For example, Mac OS. After download, click the package to install. Follow the steps to install the package. Once the installation is complete, open a terminal. First, check the AWS CLI has installed successfully. Type in the following command to configure AWS CLI, AWS configure. You will be prompted to enter your AWS Access Key, Secret Access Key, which are in the CSV downloaded earlier. Then default region, and output format. After entering the required information, AWS CLI will be configured and ready to use for programmatic access to AWS services. Now, you can use AWS CLI to access AWS services programmatically using your AWS Access Key and Secret Access Key. For example, you can use the following command to list all S3 buckets in your account, AWS S3 LS. That's it. You have successfully set up AWS CLI and programmatic access to AWS services. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Infinite Cloud AI.